Well, g'day everyone. Can you believe it? I'm in Victoria and I'm out in some playground. And would you believe who I'm with?
The dentist.
The dentist. From Prado, Fourby4Diesel.
And I'm not, my name's not Rob,
Yeah. Where is your toothbrush, mate?
but I am a dentist. I didn't bring my toothbrush.
So tell me, where are we? Where are we,
I
Anthony?
don't know, I think we're going to be lost soon. I think if I told you where we were, that'd give you a bit more confidence that you could find your way out of here.
Yeah.
So we'll just leave it as it is, mate.
Okay.
Wait and see.
Okay. All right. What are we up to today, mate? What's going on?
Just going to have a bit of a look around and see if we can get this 150 Prado out of here or not.
Okay.
I'm going to try and find a spot where we're not going to get it out of here.
Okay.
But we don't want to break anything. We're here to have some fun.
Still got to get home.
That's right. You got to get home. So we're not going to do anything too crazy.
Yep.
So we're going to think about it, take our time, because there's a lot of challenging places here,
Yep.
and a lot of opportunities to break the vehicle as well. So you really got to think about it before you go too hard. But let's cover that in a bit of footage, and hopefully people that are watching that actually want to look after their vehicles and get out there and have some fun rather than get out there and just give it to it and break stuff, which is a lot of what can be learnt from watching some other channels, unfortunately.
So, mate, what have you brought today?
Just the Hilux, mate.
Yeah,
We've got the Hilux here, you know.
Well, we've got the same engine, so...
Same engine, different transmission, different vehicle. What do you got? You've got traction control.
Yep.
You haven't got any lockers in there?
No.
No, and you don't need them.
No.
I've just got a True Track LSD in the back and a E-locker in the front, so that pretty well takes it where it needs to go. The issue out here now, because the area's become really popular, is the depth of the ruts, and I'm on 31 standard size tyres.
Yep, yep.
Which, you know, it'd be nice to have some bigger tyres for this vehicle for the track days, but I just feel the engine working a lot harder with the bigger tyres, and with a 4-speed auto, it is disadvantaged already.
He's already told me off.
Oh, look, you know, 33s are good for this, but, you know, again, if you've got two sets, put them on for the days like this and then do the touring on 31s is a good option, but, you know, each to their own. Everyone's got their own thing.
Yeah. She's a bit chilly out here, mate. 16 degrees. Look 16. At you, shorts and T-shirt. You must be used to it.
We like it for a change. It's been pretty warm. I think the average tops over the last couple of months have been around 30, so it's good to have. What's it going to be today? Maybe 23 or 25, something like that, I think.
Yep.
So
sounds like Toowoomba weather, mate.
Yeah, well, no, it's raining there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It has been. Yeah,
Victoria, beautiful one day, perfect the next, and we give you a bit of a break from the humidity and the cold.
And it can all happen in one day too.
That's it.
Well, I reckon we get into it, mate.
Let's hit it.
Don't muck around and let's go.
Have a look at the tracks.
All right. That has,
G'day.
Yeah.
In case you want to use that.
You can talk into the fluffy mic.
Hey everyone, this is Anthony the dentist, not Rob the dentist. Happy days. Are you ready?
Ready to go.
There's that mirror spoken about.
Yeah, what's that mirror?
I know the mirror and the tray well, don't I?
Keep pushing over that way.
So it's quite a flat track, although it's pretty steep. Let's see how clean you can come in. You've got the mirrors folded, it's probably a wide view. That's what I can't say how much you look at it. That's what I saw happening. Second time round's pretty good. The Hilux had a few goes and all it did was made more of that dust.